Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get USDT ERC20 on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once open, look for the Add Tokens button, typically located at the bottom of your screen. Tap this button, then use the search bar to find USDT. Make sure to enable the ERC20 version of Tether, as there are several different network options available. This ensures you're adding the correct token to your wallet. Now that you have USDT ERC20 enabled, let's get your receiving address. From your main wallet screen, tap on the USDT ERC20 token you just added. You will then see options to send, receive, or swap. Tap the Receive button. This will show you a QR code and your unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's crucial for anyone sending you USDT on the Ethereum network. To send USDT to your Trust Wallet, navigate to the exchange or platform where your Tether is currently stored. Look for the withdrawal option for USDT. It is vital to select the ERC20 network for your withdrawal. Choosing the wrong network could result in permanent loss of funds. Paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Always double-check the first and last few characters of the address. After initiating the transfer, return to your Trust Wallet. You should see the incoming USDT transaction appear, though it might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. For extra peace of mind, you can copy the transaction ID and paste it into an Etherscan Explorer to track its status. Remember, always confirm the network and address before sending any cryptocurrency to ensure your funds arrive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.